So you want to run Facebook ads to your Amazon store and you want to know how to do it and if it's worth doing it. In this video, you will see exactly what to expect, my experience when I tested this, and give you a bit of context, what to look after, what to be careful. Let's go straight to it. Obviously, this is something I'm against it because you cannot put your pixel to your Amazon store. And to be honest, even though I know there are third-party applications that say they track your pixel and stuff, these are not working properly. The second thing is Amazon will never ever let you put the pixel inside Amazon store because it will say this. So you want to run ads to increase your sales, you will run Amazon ads. And in brackets, you will pay me to run ads. And you will not pay Mark Zuckerberg the ads for your Amazon store. In other words, it's a conflict of interests. You will never ever be able to do this properly with installing Facebook Pixel to your Amazon store. But we did try it because we wanted to test it. Don't expect sales inside Ads Manager. The results will be terrible because the landing page you will put is your Amazon store or your Amazon product, but the pixel is only tracking sales from your website. Keep this in mind, okay? Very, very important. And whatever sales you are going to see, these are sales that are from people, pay attention to this, they are from people that clicked or viewed your ad, went to your Amazon store, but then bought from your website. This is why you will see sales, if any sales are happening, is only from people that went through your ad to your Amazon store, because this is the link you put, and then bought a product from your website, okay? Very, very important, so result will be terrible. But what you can see in the end is to measure how much you have spent in this campaign, for example, that points to your Amazon store, how much you have grossed, or if you see any increase in spend or, any kind of KPIs like this, and decide if it's worth spending or more. So let's go inside and see if this is worth it or not. So guys, welcome to my PC. You will see now exactly what I'm talking about and explain you what is happening here, because I know for guys that are not expert or they are not, very into ads, maybe a bit confusing, but this is why I'm here for, to explain you everything that is happening when it comes to Facebook, Instagram and TikTok ads. So, this is the ad account, and this is the 3 campaigns that are pointed towards the Amazon store. Now, there are, obviously everything is blurred, so this is why I'm explaining why there are 3 separate campaigns. It's 2 different products we are testing with different results. Now this and this is for the same product, this is for other product we are testing. Now, what we are doing here, let me show you exactly. If you see, it's like a normal campaign, you put everything inside, the images you want to put. I chose to put only our best performance here. Unfortunately, everything will be blurred to protect my client's identity. Every link will be blurred, but as you can see here, the website URL is Amazon, the product page, but Amazon, okay? But you can also see, obviously, you also put the shop inside because it's free, why not? You will see here that the campaigns have some sales, we have different budgets, but all of them are pointing towards the Amazon shop. Now, all these sales that you are seeing here are sales that happen, as I told you, from guys either directly from the shop or they went to the ad, they clicked to the Amazon store, but then they bought from the website. Now, what is the problem here? What is the issue here? You cannot optimize these ads because your purpose for this is not only sales, it's sales to increase your Amazon page. Okay, so basically you are blindfolded when it comes to these ads. You cannot optimize. Yes, you can if you want to improve, maybe the sales that is happening inside Facebook, maybe some shop, maybe inside the shop, maybe in the website. But, for example, maybe this ad that you are going to close, it have terrible results when it comes to the shop, but it's the one that gets the most spent, plus it's the one that gets the most sales for the Amazon store, but you have no way to find out for this. So what you're going to do is track how much money have you spent for these campaigns first, and this compare it to how much of an increase you see to your Amazon store, or maybe to specific Amazon products you are pushing and you advertise. This is the only way, but this is so problematic, guys. It's problematic because you just create a campaign and you pray the guys go well, because there's literally nothing you can do, and you cannot optimize this campaign unless you want to optimize it for the shops and website. But again, this negates all the purpose of these ads, because it's not to perform best on Facebook and website, it's to perform best on the Amazon, unless you're optimizing for the whole, scene of your performance. But yes, very short video. What I'm suggesting for you guys, do this only if you have big budgets, only if you are willing to spend more money, because basically this is not a waste, but it's 30K, for example, because this client is big, it's okay by losing 30K just to test if this is working or not. Even though I told him, don't expect anything. For a weird reason, it did go well, but the other problem with this is more sales don't help the algo get better, okay? Because the sales happen inside the Amazon, and there is no way for Pixel to get and report this sale for the data. But again, I'm only suggesting for you guys that are having a big, brand, and you are okay with losing some money for testing that. And for our case, for some reason, it go well. This is why we managed to hold those campaigns for so long, because we did see a very big increase into the Amazon pages of the specific products we are testing while we're doing Facebook ads. But it's very limiting, and I hate when I see bad numbers like this, but this is how it goes, I guess. This is why I'm not suggesting, to guys that are starting out or have decent store. I'm only suggesting this to guys that are watching this and have big brands, okay, and are okay to test this. But yes, you are blindfolded. That was it. That was the video. If you have any questions of this complicated topic, please make it in the comment section. I will happily answer. Subscribe if you like the video. Subscribe also if you want to see more of me, more of the videos I will produce in the near future, and also be sure to check out all my previous videos. Like, share. See ya in the next video, guys.